Medial is the opposite of lateral, so it means toward the middle of the body. A good example is the nose being medial to the eyes since it's closer to the midline. Dorsal means toward the back or the top side of the body. On a dog, the spine area is considered dorsal. Ventral is the opposite of dorsal. It means toward the belly or underside. So a dog's stomach would be on the ventral side. Sternal is more specific. It means toward the sternum, which is basically the breastbone in the chest. So it's talking about the front center of the chest area. Rostral means toward the nose or the front of the head. This term is used a lot when talking about the brain or skull. Finally, there's caudal. Caudal means toward the tail or the back end of the body. So a dog's tail is caudal compared to the rest of its body. Roots usually tell you what body part or system you're dealing with. For example, cardi means heart, derm means skin, and gaster means stomach. If you hear nerve, that's talking about nerves, and ust means bone. So whenever you see these in a word, you already have a clue about what it's about. Next are prefixes, which go at the beginning of a word. These usually tell you things like how much, where, or when. For example, hyper means above normal, and hypo means below normal. Brady means slow, while tatchy means fast. You also have pre, which means before, and post, which means after. So prefixes kind of set the situation for the word. Then we have suffixes, which go at the end. These usually explain what's happening. For example, itis means inflammation, so something like arthritis means inflammation of the joints. Ectomy means surgical removal, and algia means pain. There's also oma, which means a tumor or mass, and elogy, which means the study of something. Finally, there are abbreviations, which are super common in the medical field. These are just shortened versions of words or phrases. For example, BP means blood pressure, HR means heart rate, and RX means prescription. You might also see PRN, which means as needed, and NPO, which means nothing by mouth.